Hey guys, so I'm Tim with Original Strength and got a very exciting day today. I'm wearing a microphone and we're really testing this microphone out today because it is, well, Hurricane Florence is actually happening right now and it's raining very loud in this building. So if this is working, you can hear me and maybe the rain, but you can still hear me. Anyway, trying to make our videos better and we're doing the ultimate test today to see if we can actually pull this off. So today's movement snack is we're going to combine, since it's raining, I'm going to do like a salamander move because it's kind of only fitting to be like a salamander on days like today. So we're going to combine moving or crawling like a salamander and head rotations. So all you do is you lie on your belly like so, and I'm going to rotate to my right and reach out like I'm crawling forward with my left arm while I'm pulling my right leg up under me. So it looks like this. And then I'm going to rotate to the other side. And so you can actually do this without crawling across the floor. You can do this in place. And you just rotate, looking over your shoulder. Now, if you were crawling, it would, coming at you, it would look like that. But you don't have to do that. You can just take this up in one spot. And one of the reasons you might want to do this is because, man, it will help you discover that you have abdominal muscles and obliques. Oh, these things right here, you'll feel them, especially if you don't drag your leg and you actually pick it up. So if I pick it up off the ground, and then take it back, you might have even heard my voice change. It creates a lot of tension through your center. And one other way you can play with this is to do it in slow motion. So as I'm reaching forward and looking over, I'm moving in this, and the slow motion part really affects what's going on right here. And then when you undo it, so just in case, from the side, it's here. It's almost as if you're looking, somebody called your name from behind, and you're turning around to see what they said. And, oh, nothing important. So you just keep rotating and crawling in place. So why would you want to do that? Well, one, it's a crawl. So it's working both sides of your brain. It's strengthening your nervous system. It is tying your body together also. I mean, and you're going to feel it. You spend any time doing this, you'll feel it. But we're also working in those head rotations. We're activating our vestibular system. So basically, we are double dipping and just flooding our brain with good movement information that will allow us to move better and stronger. So this simple move right here is phenomenal. It'll do so many good things for you. Tie you together, strengthen your nervous system, let you know that you have obliques, and it's just something that's good to do on a rainy day like today. So give that a shot. You'll be surprised at how it feels, and you may be surprised on how good it helps you to move. Anyway, that's our tip for this week. I hope my microphone worked. Some of you are not shy about letting me know that my sound quality is not that great, so if you would, let me know if it's better, all right? Thank you so much for watching. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.